Will this stiff bristle brush help keep your deck clean? This is a simple and fast review of the SetSail 12-inch deck scrub brush with long handle. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get the box open here, find little parts and pieces. This is the end, is where we're going to hang it. This does rotate. All these pieces are just going to screw in together. So just read your instruction manual so you know exactly which piece goes into where. But generally speaking, the white is going to go into the white, so be aware of that. Give you an up close on this. Tough bristles, good squeegee here. So you can see the kind of line here. You'll just kind of turn it, and it's rubberized squeegee, good bristles, 12-inch. This will literally just screw in, and it is a little bit loose and moves still there, you'll see, even when it's in, so just be aware of that. Your angle that you can see, and then the rest will literally just be a matter of preference on how big you want this handle to be. So if you want it nice and short, you'll just add the one on, but these are just going to be lengthening pieces, so you can kind of adjust to the length that you want just by screwing these in. And nice and tight, good fit. And then this last one will screw in. Nice and tight. So we'll show you what it looks like stretched out. All right, so compared to the box that it comes in, you can see that it's a decent size. That's 12 inches at the top, though the handle is kind of skinny, and again at the end you can hang it out. So we'll just go ahead and show you some activity. All right, so I'm going to just show you the squeegee capabilities more than anything else, but obviously you can just brush this thing as well. But just showing that it pushes away the water really nicely after a rain. That's kind of the primary reason we got this, is to kind of clean off the deck. You can kind of see exactly how well it does on that. And we'll just come over a little further. Lost my angle there. We'll just kind of show you. If I wanted to scrub from here, obviously it would be great for that as well, but the squeegee is really good. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.